Horse meat is makruh in Islam. Rabbit meat is halal in Islam. Pig meat is haram in Islam. Bull meat is halal in Islam. Lion meat is haram in Islam. Hyena meat is haram in Islam. Bison meat is halal in Islam. Kangaroo meat is haram in Islam. Vicuna's meat is halal in Islam. Elephant meat is haram in Islam. Sheep meat is halal in Islam. Snow leopard meat is haram in Islam. Springbok meat is halal in Islam. Rat meat is forbidden in Islam. Hedgehog meat is haram in Islam. Lynx meat is haram in Islam. Squirrel meat is makruh in Islam. Mole meat is haram in Islam. Turkey meat is halal in Islam. Please subscribe to the channel. Giraffe meat is halal in Islam. Fox meat is haram in Islam. Gazelle meat is halal in Islam. Donkey meat is haram in Islam. Cow meat is halal in Islam. Dog meat is haram in Islam. Cat meat is haram in Islam. Wild boar meat haram in Islam. Arabian oryx meat is halal in Islam. Honey badger meat is haram in Islam. Wolf meat is haram in Islam. Jackal meat is haram in Islam. Deer meat is halal in Islam. Black bear meat is haram in Islam. Camel meat is halal in Islam. Emu meat is halal in Islam. Tiger meat is haram in Islam. Goat meat is halal in Islam. Grey wolf meat is haram in Islam. Buffalo meat is halal in Islam. Marker meat is halal in Islam. Monkey meat is haram in Islam. Rooster meat is halal in Islam. Komodo dragon meat is haram in Islam. Panda meat is haram in Islam. Beaver meat is haram in Islam. Crocodile meat is haram in Islam. Goose meat is halal in Islam. Jaguar meat